Hello, how are you? Good evening. I'm back again. Obviously, live नहीं है, recorded है, but I'm there with you with all the love, with all the gratitude, just for all of you. Today's topic: why appreciation guarantees growth. Okay, that's an interesting topic. So let's see. Now, something very interesting. Many people, okay, you must have seen कि ग्रुप बना के बैठते हैं, दोस्तों के साथ बैठते हैं, ऑफिस में गॉसिप करते हैं, कैंटीन में बैठते हैं, एंड दे कीप गॉसिपिंग. अरे यार, वो मालूम है उसको प्रमोशन मिल गया, तो बॉस की चमचागिरी करता है ना, इसलिए प्रमोशन मिल गया. अरे उसको अवार्ड मिला, वो ब्राइब किया होगा इसलिए अवार्ड मिला है उसको. हाँ, वो बहुत पैसे कमा रहे हैं ना, वो 2 नंबरी का काम करता है. ही हैज़ गॉट लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक मनी. ही डज नॉट अर्न ऑथेंटिकली. Have you seen such kind of discussion happening? Mostly behind the back. So let me talk about how these kind of talks or gossips affect your own growth. Understand, we always achieve goals subconsciously. Okay, the subconscious mind is the one which is very, very powerful and helps you achieve all your goals. But the challenge is the subconscious mind language, the understanding language is emotions. It always communicates through emotions. It does not understand the words that you speak. The words are conscious. It always understands the emotions that get attached with those words. Okay? Every thought is attached with a feeling. We are all aware of that. So now what happens is, जब हम किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं पीठ पीछे, अब क्रिटिसिज्म इज ऑलवेज बिहाइंड द बैक, फेस टू फेस कभी नहीं होता क्रिटिसिज्म. तो अरे वो ब्राइब करके ना इसलिए अवार्ड मिला है. He has become rich because he has done lot of illegal work. That's right. So when we do that, there is a sense of satisfaction, a bit of different kind of happiness in criticizing people. Ego satisfaction बोल सकते हैं, और a contentment कि भाई it's like a power play. We have nothing else to show our power, so let me criticize. So अपने आप को थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे तो शायद बड़े हो जाएंगे, ऐसा वाला फील. But they do not understand how does it affect. Now the subconscious mind gets connected with the intention and with the emotions. Now what is being said is, वो अमीर इसलिए बना है क्योंकि उसने चीट किया है, ब्लैक इलीगल काम किया है. इस तरह से जब बोलते हैं, so basically that person is actually not criticizing the person. He or she is criticizing the person having that money. So the money is being criticized. So now the subconscious mind interprets this way. Now my owner is criticizing money. That means somewhere he does not like money. And because that person has lot of money, my owner is upset. I cannot let my owner to be upset, and that he is upset because that next person has money. My owner does not like money, so let me stagnate my owner's growth. Let me stop the money in my owner's growth. Now something that the person was criticizing for, that cash flow has stopped in his own life. So dangerous, yet so powerful. Interesting. Okay. It's also been described, like I'll give you another example. Let's say for example you come to my home, I offer you chiku juice, and I also offer you watermelon juice. You pick up watermelon juice and you say I do not like chiku. At any given point of the time, if I keep remembering that you don't like chiku juice, will I ever serve you chiku? No, right? Because I know that you don't like, you have not picked up chiku juice. You have also said that I don't like chiku juice. If you have criticized something, if you have rejected something, why will I ever give it to you? Similarly, in the real world, in the subconscious world, if you have rejected somebody else's money, not related to your money, somebody else's money, the subconscious mind thinks that you reject money anyhow. So let me keep you prohibited from the abundance of money. Okay. Chapter number 4, your right to riches, power of subconscious mind. Why many people struggle with money in their life? Exactly, this is the reason. They are continuously criticizing somebody else's growth and money behind their back. At the same time, if you appreciate, wow, that person is so rich. Okay, I mean, I'm so blessed that he's so rich. That person inspires me to let me know at least that there is so much of abundance in this world and there's so much opportunity to earn so much of money. Thank you so much. So when you say that, now my subconscious mind gets attached with the feeling of happiness. Wow, my owner is so happy with somebody else's growth. That means he loves growth. Let me put my owner on a growth path. That's why all the people who have been appreciating all the other people in their life have always been growing. Right? So that's the message for today. Appreciate. Okay? Do not try to criticize. Do not try to put it down. Your own body, your own subconscious mind is affected. Appreciate. Have a great life. Enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.